I, Robert Patrick Casey.
A crisp winter day, a new governor, a son of the coal country who believed Pennsylvania could be great again. He began putting our people back to work, not by magic, but piece by piece. He intervened to save Sharon Steel, brought in Ford Electronics and the new J&L structural plant to replace a closed steel mill. A new economic strike force, 151 high-tech firms moving in, a growth rate twice the national average. Over 400,000 new jobs and the lowest unemployment rate in 15 years. For the next generation, he's invested $1 billion more in basic education, with local schools given incentives for improved student performance. He's fought toxic polluters with record fines and launched a sweeping new program to clean up Pennsylvania's drinking water. The first governor in 43 years not to raise taxes. A decent, special man with an abiding faith in the state he loves. Bob Casey, leadership that's making Pennsylvania the rising new star of America.